Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your Samsung QLED and your phone, tablet, or laptop share the same Wi-Fi. Once connected, enable the TV's AirPlay or screen mirroring option in settings so it will accept connections. Now on your mobile device, pull down Quick Settings for Smart View or Open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring on iPhone. This immediate action tells the TV to advertise itself. Once it's visible, you're ready to pair from your device. You now select the QLED from the device list. When the TV shows a pairing code, enter or accept it to secure the connection. Once paired, decide whether to mirror the exact screen or extend the display. Windows users open Project and pick Duplicate or Extend, while mobile devices mirror automatically. Make sure to adjust display resolution and orientation on your source device if the image is blurry or cropped. This step fixes scaling mismatches and keeps text readable on the large screen. Finish your session by stopping mirroring on your phone, tablet, or PC through Smart View, Screen Mirroring, or the Windows Connect menu so the TV frees resources. If the connection drops or never appears, restart the TV and router and make sure no VPN or strict firewall is blocking discovery. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the TV firmware and your device OS. Outdated software is the most common reason AirPlay or Miracast will fail, and reinstalling the TV's network settings often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.